So what we have here is what we call a Fibonacci interval. So overall with this indicator, actually, some of these stuff I added as a bonus. It's not really necessary, but hold on, let me actually delete this extra stuff. Better. So the extra stuff was just some stuff that I actually liked because I was using other stuff, but overall with this tool, it is better for scalp opportunities, but you can also still use it for longer term opportunities. So right now, as I can tell, yes, there is a drop coming in on here. Overall, it can tell you, it'll let you know if there's aggressive opportunities and longer term opportunities, and where you should actually put your pip levels. And it'll also let you know the current day low, the previous day low, and the previous day close, and the previous day high today. So it's letting you know when the market closed at certain points during the current day or the previous day. So you can use that to help your estimation or your actual analysis. So with that in mind, and the fact that I know my patterns, I could actually say that it could potentially go to the normal zone. But this is based on your analysis still. You don't want to be 100% dependent on a tool, because at the end of the day, any tool is just something to help your trading. It's not something that you 100% depend on, but it is going to help your analysis as well, to kind of help you show what's going on, what happened before, or depending on what you're actually going to use it for. But I would say it would get close to the normal zone, and at the same time, because I have this guy here, it kind of validates that longer term it can actually buy. And at the same time, there still is a pattern, which you could see better if you went to another time frame. So this is more of a flag pattern than anything. So from what can actually happen is, yes, there's a stop loss over that zone. It can rise for a bit, but it's looking more like it's going to continue down close to that zone. Because remember, it's the weekend right now, and it's going to be Sunday soon, so it is going to more than likely going to continue and then rise up to just to break to continue that pattern. But overall, it is giving you an estimation because based on what you see. So do you see a shorter term opportunity? Do you see a longer term opportunity? How many pips do you want to grab? And on top of that, all you would have to do is just enter in on that sell level, and then just move your take profit and then pull your stop loss here. So ultimately, you don't even have to use a stop. You don't have to estimate where you should put your stop loss, because it automatically calculates that for you, and it automatically calculates the profit level. You just have to be able to determine, is it going to be long term or short term. In this case, I see short term opportunity, but long term gains. And that's where this sync prediction tool comes in. And then based on the other EMAs that I had on here, it would have just estimated, basically helped me estimate the trend direction and where it would bounce as well, which basically, based on what I know currently, I don't need those anymore. I knew it can bounce here and up. But for someone new to trading, this is a perfect tool. What are your thoughts on this indicator? Do you think it could be helpful to just anyone? Feel free to comment your thoughts below. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a like.